If you want to learn how to overlay in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add a picture or video on top of your main clip so you can create picture-in-picture effects, reaction edits, tutorials, and more. This is a super useful editing skill, especially if you want your videos to look more professional and engaging. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project if you haven't already. Once you're inside the editor, go to the Media tab and click the Import button. This is where you'll bring in the files you want to use. You can import photos, videos, or both, depending on what kind of overlay you want to create. After your media is imported, drag your main background footage down into the timeline. This main clip is going to be the base layer of your edit, so make sure it goes on the primary track first. Now, to create the overlay, drag your second video or image onto the track above your main footage. This is very important because anything placed on the track above will appear on top of the background clip. If you accidentally place it on the same track, it may replace the first clip instead of overlaying it, so always double check that it lands on the upper layer. Once your overlay clip is in place, click on it in the timeline to select it. This lets you adjust and position it properly. Now look at the preview window, and you'll see the overlay on the screen. To make it smaller, click and drag one of the corner handles inward. This is how you resize the overlay so it doesn't cover the entire screen. If you want that classic facecam look or a smaller visual element in the corner, this is the step that gives you that control. After resizing, click and hold the center of the clip in the preview window, then drag it to wherever you want it to sit on the screen. You can place it in a corner, in the center, or anywhere that works best for your layout. For example, you might put a reaction video in the top right corner, a logo in the bottom left, or a screenshot over your main footage to highlight something important. The key is to make sure your overlay supports the main video instead of blocking it. If needed, you can keep fine-tuning the size and position until everything looks balanced and clean. Take a moment to preview the composition and make sure the overlay feels natural and easy to watch. And that's really all there is to it. By importing your media, placing your main clip on the timeline, adding your overlay on the track above, resizing it, and moving it into position, you can quickly create overlays in CapCut on PC in just a few steps. This simple technique opens the door to a lot of creative editing ideas, and once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.